Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, take out your math countdown books and today we will do question number 3 of page number 192. Question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. So, the first question is, a triangle has 2 corners, 3 corners, 4 corners or 5 corners. So, okay students, look at this shape. This is a triangle shape and you can see how many sides and corners of this shape. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and how many corners? 1, 2 and 3 corners. So, a triangle has 3 corners. Which shape has 3 corners? A triangle has 3 corners. So, this is our answer. B. A line is made by 1 point, 2 points, infinite number of points or 3 points. So, as you can see here, a line is made by infinite number of points. Students, you can see this is a picture of a line. A line can go on and on forever on both sides. You can see it can go in this side and it also can go in this side. So it can go on and on forever on both sides. Okay. So this is the answer, infinite number of points. C part. You can see this picture A and B. The given figure is a line segment, line, point or ray. Students, as I tell you in my previous lecture about line, about point, ray and line segment. Okay, so what is this? This is line segment. Okay. Students, as I told you that a line segment is a line which joins two dots together. Okay, it has a start and an end. For example, here you can see it starts from A and ends on B. So our answer is line segment. Part D. A point has depth, width, length or none of these. So why we choose this answer, none of these? Because 3 answers are wrong. They give us 3 answers and 3 are the wrong answers. Okay, they didn't give us correct answer. So we will write none of these answers. Students, because a point in geometry refers to a location, it is shown as a dot. And it has no length, no depth and no width. A point is always denoted by a capital letter. As you can see in this picture. In this picture, A, B, C and D are points. E. A pentagon has 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides or 6 sides. Let's see the picture of pentagon. This is the picture of pentagon and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides of pentagon and 5 corners of this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. Okay. So a pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. Okay, students, question number 4 is measure and write the length of each line segment. Okay, they give us the length and we have to measure with the help of a ruler or you can say scale. So students, okay students, now take a scale and with the help of scale you will put this 0 Okay, the line of the 0, you will put it on the first point, okay, here, and then you will observe what is the length. Okay, so what is the length? 2 centimeter. Okay, in this way here you will see what is the length of C part. Okay, students, here we will see the length. So the length is 4 centimeter. Okay, in the same way, students, you will write here 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Okay, then you will write the length of this line. Look at question number 5. Draw line segments of given lengths. Students, we will draw the line segment of 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Okay, in this way we will take a scale, and with the help of ruler or scale you can draw the line. First of all, you will put 2 dots, okay, from 0 to 4, and then you will draw the line. You will join the dots. Okay, so let's start how you will complete this work on your math copies. So students, take a scale, and you have to mention PQ is equals 4 centimeter. Okay, this side is cm, centimeter. So we will start, first of all we will put 2 dots from 0, this is 0, put a dot, and 4 centimeters. So where is 4? This is 4, and also make another another point over here. Okay, in this way. And students, now draw the line. First of all, we put 2 dots, 2 points. Okay, now we will join these 2 points from 0 to 4. This is 4 centimeter. So we will draw the line. Okay, and what is the name of this line segment? P and Q. So we will give the name P and Q. Understand? In the same way, part B is YZ 6 centimeter. Okay, students, now B part is YZ is equals 6 centimeter. So first of all, you will take a scale and just see this is the centimeter. So we will put a dot here on 0, and 6 centimeter, where is 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is 6. So we'll put a dot over here also. Okay, and now join both of these. You can see here from 0 to 6. We will start from 0. Every number we will start from 0. Okay, when they write 6 centimeter, we will start from 0 to 6. If they write 7 centimeter, we will start from 0 to 7. First of all, put a dots and then join these dots. Okay, so look here, 0 to 6. This is 6 centimeter. So what is the name of this line segment? Is Y of this length is YZ. Okay, so give the name Y and Z. Okay, students, now the next part is FG is equals 8 centimeter. Okay, so what is the length? Is 8 centimeters. So we will start from 0. Okay, make a point, and from 0 to 8 centimeter. Where is 8? This is 8. Okay, and now we will join these 2 dots. Right, students, both of these are points, are called points, and line segment is a line which joins 2 points together. Okay, so what is the name of this line? F and G. Okay, in this way you can make lines. Okay, first of all the number they give you here, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, any number. Okay, you just have to take your scale and first of all you will make 2 points. Okay, you will start from 0 as I make a point over here. Okay, and then 8 centimeter till 8 centimeter. Okay, you can see the number 8 centimeter, and then we will join it with the scale. We will draw the line. So because this is in line segment, we join 2 points together. Okay beta, and then we will give the name FG. Okay beta, next question is AB is equals 7 centimeter. So where from we will start? We will start from 0. First of all, make a point over here, and the second point on 7 centimeter. This is 7, so make another point. Now we will join both of these very carefully. Okay, and what is the name? A and B. We will give the name A to this point and B the next point. Okay beta, I hope you understand this question number 5. So students, do this question number 5. Question number 5 on your math notebooks. Okay, and question number 4, just measure the length of this line, of all these lines, and write the length of these lines. Okay, with the help of your scale, as I told you how you have to measure from 0. You will start and you will see on which number this line reach, on which number. Okay, at which number. So you will write the number. So this question you will done on book, and this question number 5 you will done on your math notebooks. Okay, and also do practice, more practice of this exercise. Question number 3 also learn. Question number 3. Take care. Allah Hafiz.